We use blob types to store large amounts of binary data like images, videos, PDFs, Word files, pretty much any binary data. In MySQL, we have 4 blob types, and they differ based on the maximum amount of data they can store. We have tiny blob for storing binary data up to 255 bytes, blob for storing binary data up to 65 kilobytes, medium blob for storing binary data up to 16 megabytes, and long blob for storing binary data up to 4 gigabytes. Generally speaking, it's better to keep your files out of your databases because relational databases are designed for working with structured relational data, not binary data. If you store your files in a database, your database size is going to increase pretty quickly, and that will slow down your backups. You will also experience performance problems because pulling images out of your database is always slower than reading them from the file system. Plus, you will have to write additional code to read or store images in a database. If you have valid reasons for storing your files in a database, first take all this into account and make sure these reasons don't apply to your scenario.